pretty amazing, thinking it's far more than half a century old. Again, the design is just so iconic and timeless. The long flowing fenders, the camtail at the rear, they were just way ahead of their time, and that's why today are among the most collectible and sought after Ferraris. Most importantly, it's a matching numbers car, retaining all its original components. Matching numbers engine, transaxle, chassis, body, everything. It's been impeccably restored by a group of really talented Ferrari guys here in Southern California. It's finished in its original Argento silver metallic color, which just looks so good on these. Too aggressive like earlier cars, too primitive. It's really something quite usable. Deal for high-speed rallies. This thing wants to go. It wants to go. And it looks great doing it, that's for sure.